Go.
Oh, Kristen.
Oh, Christian. Hold the toilet paper, Christian. Hold the toilet paper. Chris, go help him.
You guys are too close together, too.
Hold it!
Somebody help them. There you go. Now help the girls, Chris. Oh, they got it.
Got it.
Oh my gosh, look at them.
Good job. There you go. Are you doing a time thing or what are you doing?
Whoever's toilet paper is rolled. There we go. Go down. Go down. There you go. Look at Christian.
You're wrapping it too tight there, little one.
Look at Christian. There you go. There you go. Look at Kaylee. Oh, okay. They're out of toilet paper, ladies and gentlemen. They win.
Yay!
No, we gotta wrap you guys twice.
Wait for me to catch up, please. I want to see.
Come on.
Okay, go. Now let's practice stopping again. Watch where you're going. Keep your eyes right in front of you, hon. Don't look behind you unless you have to.
Keep your hands on
Uh-oh.
your feet on the pillow.
Honey, let's just let him try it out.
Is it on video?
Yeah.
Why do you want to get up?
'Cause strike a pose. Are you done? You gonna walk over that?
I would.
Oh yeah, that does look scary.
Riley!
Tell her to come to our house and eat some of our fruit up. Now let's walk down to her. Oh, look at that. You need some help? Oh, that's a tricky part, isn't it?
Yeah.
You have to probably walk that every time, huh? You are such a big boy. Look at you go. Look at that huge bike. It's so much bigger than the other one, huh? Yeah.
Stop.
Uh-huh.
And stop.
Watch where you're going. There it goes. Oh, look at that. Oh, Christian's first little... Oh, goodness sake. Little tire mark on the sidewalk. You need to stop right where you're going. Stop. No, stop. Uh-oh, he's in trouble now. What happened, buddy?
I got stuck.
You turned your bike into an exercise bike. Now you go really fast. Oh. Hey, you're not wearing shoes. I just noticed that.
Neither are you.
Yeah, but I'm not riding a bike. What the heck? Why aren't you going?
Because I'm on the tricky part.
You're on the tricky part. Oh, you got it. Oh, here, let Mommy help you.
Now he's going somewhere.
Christian, I am so freaking proud of you right now. Do you know that? He's like, whatever, I'm trying to ride. I know.
Don't show me I'm not.